how to log into Living Spaces credit card online banking account. Hi everyone, this is Susan from Create, Login and Delete, and now let's get started. First of all, you have to open your web browser or search engine on your phone, your PC or your desktop. Now, here we go. In my case, I've opened Safari here. Now on the search bar, you have to type Living Spaces credit card login. Okay, here we go. Now tap on the first link that appears on top. This may take a while. Now you have come to the official page of the website. Now at the top you can see the option of login. Let's tap on it. This may take a while to load again. Now after this you will come across this page where you can see empty fields where you have to put your username. Okay, here we go. And then enter your password here. Now in case if you don't remember your username or password, you can tap on I forgot my username or password. And in case if you are new here, you can tap on I want to register and create a new account on Living Spaces credit card. So that was all for today and I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.